Scot Forge, America's forging giant powering the world's most demanding industries. In the world of heavy manufacturing, where strength, precision, and reliability are critical, few companies have earned a reputation as impressive as Scot Forge. For more than 130 years, this American manufacturing leader has been at the forefront of the forging industry, producing some of the world's strongest and most complex forged components for aerospace, defense, energy, mining, marine, oil and gas, and industrial equipment. Unlike conventional metal manufacturers, Scot Forge specializes in transforming massive steel ingots into high-performance forged components capable of withstanding extreme mechanical stress, intense temperatures, and harsh operating environments. Through continuous investment in cutting-edge technology, advanced metallurgy, and engineering expertise, the company has become one of North America's largest and most respected open-die forging manufacturers. A legacy of excellence. Founded in 1893, Scot Forge began as a small forging operation serving America's growing industrial economy. Over the decades, the company evolved alongside the rapid expansion of manufacturing technologies, continually investing in larger presses, more advanced machining capabilities, and state-of-the-art quality control systems. Today, Scot Forge operates multiple manufacturing facilities equipped with some of the largest forging presses in the United States. Its products are trusted by global manufacturers that require uncompromising strength, precision, and durability. The company's philosophy has always centered on innovation, customer collaboration, and engineering excellence, allowing it to remain competitive in an increasingly demanding global marketplace. Understanding the forging process. Forging is one of the oldest yet most advanced metal forming techniques. Unlike casting, which pours molten metal into molds, forging shapes heated metal through enormous compressive forces. This process refines the metal's internal grain structure, eliminating voids and improving mechanical properties. As a result, forged components offer significantly greater strength, fatigue resistance, toughness, and reliability than cast or machined alternatives. Scot Forge specializes in both open-die and rolled-ring forging, producing components that range from a few pounds to well over 100 tons. Advanced manufacturing capabilities. One of Scot Forge's greatest strengths is its ability to manufacture exceptionally large and technically demanding components. The production process begins with carefully selected steel alloys or specialty metals. Massive billets or ingots are heated in high-temperature industrial furnaces until they reach the ideal forging temperature. Powerful hydraulic presses then apply thousands of tons of force to gradually shape the material into its desired form. Throughout the process, highly experienced engineers monitor every stage to ensure dimensional accuracy and optimal grain flow. Following forging, each component undergoes a series of heat treatment processes designed to enhance hardness, toughness, and mechanical performance. Advanced CNC machining centers then produce the final dimensions with exceptional precision before comprehensive inspections verify that every specification has been achieved. A wide range of forged products. Scot Forge manufactures an extensive portfolio of forged components for some of the world's most demanding industries. Its product lineup includes crankshaft forgings, large shafts, rolled rings, discs, cylinders, sleeves, hubs, flanges, pressure vessel components, turbine parts, gear blanks, mining equipment components, marine propulsion shafts, heavy industrial machinery parts. These components are produced from carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, nickel-based superalloys, titanium, aluminum alloys, and numerous specialty materials designed for extreme applications. Crankshaft forging expertise. Among Scot Forge's most technically demanding products are crankshaft forgings. A crankshaft is one of the most critical components in any engine, converting the linear motion of pistons into rotational power. Because it experiences tremendous cyclic loads throughout its service life, the material's internal integrity is absolutely essential. Through advanced forging techniques, Scot Forge produces crankshaft forgings with optimized grain flow that follows the geometry of the finished component. This significantly increases fatigue resistance while reducing the likelihood of cracks or catastrophic failure. These crankshaft forgings are used in large diesel engines, marine propulsion systems, power generation equipment, industrial compressors, mining machinery, heavy construction equipment. Their exceptional strength and durability allow them to perform reliably under continuous heavy-duty operation for many years. Serving critical industries, Scot Forge supplies forged components to numerous strategic industries where component failure is simply not an option. Aerospace. Aircraft manufacturers require lightweight, yet extremely strong components capable of operating under tremendous stress and temperature variations. Scot Forge produces forged parts that meet the industry's rigorous quality standards. Defense. Military vehicles, naval vessels, submarines, missile systems, and defense equipment depend on forged components capable of surviving extreme operational environments. Oil and gas. Exploration and production equipment often operates under enormous pressure and corrosive conditions. Scot Forge manufactures components specifically engineered for these demanding applications. Energy. The company supplies forged components for conventional power plants, nuclear facilities, hydroelectric stations, wind turbines, and other renewable energy systems. Marine. Marine propulsion systems require large forged shafts and mechanical components capable of resisting corrosion, vibration, and heavy continuous loads. Mining. Mining operations rely on equipment that must endure severe impacts and abrasive environments. Scot Forge manufactures high-strength, forged parts designed for maximum service life. Commitment to quality. Quality has always been a cornerstone of Scot Forge's success. Every forged component undergoes rigorous inspection throughout the manufacturing process. Advanced testing methods include ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle inspection, hardness testing, tensile testing, chemical composition analysis, dimensional verification, and detailed metallurgical examinations. These comprehensive quality assurance procedures ensure every product meets or exceeds customer specifications and international industry standards. The company's quality management systems provide complete traceability from raw material selection through final delivery, giving customers confidence in every component they receive. Engineering partnership. Rather than simply manufacturing parts, Scot Forge works closely with customers as an engineering partner. Its experienced metallurgists and design engineers assist clients in selecting the optimal material, determining the most effective forging method, improving manufacturability, and optimizing component performance. This collaborative engineering approach often enables customers to reduce costs, improve reliability, and shorten production timelines. Technology and innovation. Continuous investment in advanced manufacturing technology has been a key driver of Scot Forge's long-term success. The company utilizes sophisticated CAD/CAM software, computer-controlled forging equipment, multi-axis CNC machining centers, automated material handling systems, and advanced process simulation tools to optimize production efficiency and product quality. Digital monitoring systems provide real-time manufacturing data, allowing engineers to maintain strict process control while continuously improving productivity and consistency. Sustainability and environmental responsibility. Scot Forge recognizes that modern manufacturing must balance industrial productivity with environmental stewardship. The company actively works to improve energy efficiency, recycle steel scrap, reduce emissions, optimize furnace performance, and minimize waste throughout its operations. These sustainability initiatives not only reduce environmental impact, but also improve manufacturing efficiency and resource utilization. Why customers choose Scot Forge? Several factors distinguish Scot Forge from other forging companies around the world. More than 130 years of manufacturing experience. Industry-leading, open-die forging capabilities. Expertise in producing extremely large forged components. Advanced metallurgy and engineering support. Comprehensive in-house machining and heat treatment. World-class quality assurance systems. Customized manufacturing solutions. Reliable delivery performance. Long-standing reputation for excellence. Looking toward the future. As industries continue demanding stronger, larger, and more reliable engineered components, Scot Forge remains committed to expanding its manufacturing capabilities. Investments in automation, digital manufacturing, advanced materials, artificial intelligence, and next-generation forging technologies will allow the company to serve increasingly sophisticated applications across aerospace, defense, clean energy, and heavy industry. By combining more than a century of craftsmanship with modern engineering innovation, Scot Forge is well-positioned to remain one of the world's premier forging manufacturers for decades to come. Conclusion: Scot Forge represents the very best of American heavy manufacturing. Through exceptional engineering expertise, advanced forging technology, and an unwavering commitment to quality, the company has earned the trust of leading manufacturers across the globe. From massive crankshaft forgings and turbine components to aerospace structures and defense systems, Scot Forge continues to produce the high-performance forged products that power some of the world's most critical industries. Its legacy of innovation, precision, and reliability ensures that it will remain a driving force in the global forging industry well into the future.